Learn domestic animals' name. Watch, listen and speak. Cow. This is a cow. Dog. This is a dog. Sheep. This is a sheep. Camel. This is a camel. Cat. This is a cat. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Pig. This is a pig. Hen. This is a hen. Duck. This is a duck. Horse. This is a horse. Goat. This is a goat. Turkey. This is a turkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Cow. Dog. Sheep. Camel. Cat. Rabbit. Pig. Hen. Duck. Horse. Goat. Turkey. Donkey. Buffalo. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.